Hi, I chose to do my letter flashcards on animals. I chose animals because I feel like no matter what age the kids are, they always love learning new things about animals. So these are a sample of flashcards that I would use in my classroom. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for goat. H is for hummingbird. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for llama. M is for monkeys. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rat. S is for squid. T is for turkey. U is for umbrella bird. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. X is for xenops. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. So I chose animals like I said, and even though I feel like some kids might not know all the animals on these cards, it would open new lessons about different animals and where they live, maybe habitats, and I think posting them in my classroom would be very beneficial because kids can start to explore and try to figure out common letter sounds between different words, maybe on packets or papers that you give them. So that would be how I would use these flashcards in my classroom.